Well, here we are. The Leo Jaymz amp that came with the kit. Let's see what we got. I noticed on Amazon they sell this and one or two other variations with more knobs, and I think there's one with a set of knobs on the top. Okay, so you get your instruction manual. And it has the back open. It has a 6-inch speaker with a relatively decent sized magnet. There is an output transformer about that size. And a small circuit board just connected to the pots on the back of these knobs here. Alright. I don't have to pull the whole cord out because I prepared an extension. I just want to see what this sounds like. Alright, we will have a cheapy guitar cable, not the one that came with it, but a cheapy one, just like the one that did come with it. We've got an on, off for gain, but push button, tone, volume, phone. That's probably headphones out. That's not a good sign. Light didn't come on. Am I plugged? Oh, there it is. My wall plug wasn't in all the way. Okay. No noise. Volume all the way up. Tiny little, but very, very small. Try it again. Oh, there comes the noise. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. Geez, the gain's not even on. From about 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock, there's no change in volume. Wow, that's quite loud. The gain circuit works quite well. So I guess that must be distortion. No, it just says guitar amplifier. So the gain knob works without pushing this button in a cleaner fashion, a cleaner gain. that staccato at the end of it. It's very, cuts right off. Let's go up on a tone. Just 1 o'clock. Tiny bit. Whew, this close, it's shrilly loud. It's shrilly loud. It's still shrilly loud. Small speakers are like that. You know, for the kit, for some young person, it's probably okay to make noise and you know, be able to make some chords, learn how to play chords. It's loud enough to annoy your parents for sure. For sure. It's gonna hurt. Yeah. That hurts. That hurts. So it works. It makes noise. Does what it's supposed to do. You can make it quiet if you want. With your guitar. Better when you roll the guitar back. I'm just not used to hearing sound so dry. I usually have a dash of reverb and a dash of delay on my Mustang 3. But there she goes. It makes noise. So the other thing I wanted to show you is that I bought a different gig bag for this guitar. I cut out the Leo Jaymz off the dust cover and glued it to this one so that it says Leo Jaymz on it just like the original one, except that it has better padding in it. All right. And the news is that this kit, with the amplifier, the guitar, the gig bag, are all going to be one of the guitars I offer at my 2,000 sub giveaway. So, some lucky subscriber who has supported me for a while has a chance to win this whole set. All fixed, fully playable, sounds great. Just like that. We just need to hit 2001 and hold it. Appreciate all your support. Catch you in the next one.